Welcome back to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our O-Gauge layouts, libraries, and train rooms. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Lionel Trains will be producing an exclusive and limited edition Polar Railroad Legacy SD80 Mac diesel for the Metropolitan Division of the Train Collectors Association. Expected to arrive in mid-2026, the early order price is $649.99. Lionel Trains will also be producing an exclusive and limited edition Legacy O80 steamer in Southern Railway colors for the train loft. Follow the link in the video description for pricing and availability. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2026 Premier O-Scale Gondola car with track rails load in 4 different schemes next spring. The cars will be available in Pennsylvania, Union Pacific, Santa Fe, and Southern colors with 10-inch track rails, each in extremely limited quantities. The cars are expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in March 2026. The suggested retail price is $89.95. MTH will also be producing the 2026 Premier O-Scale flat car with construction load in 5 different schemes next spring. The cars will be available decorated for CSX, Norfolk Southern, CPKC, BNSF, and Union Pacific colors with either a 1/50th scale cement truck or a scale dump truck in each road name. The cars are expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in April 2026, with a suggested retail price of $89.95 each. MTH Electric Trains will be producing an exclusive and limited run Southern offset cupola steel caboose for the train loft. The caboose is intended to be a companion to the Lionel 080 announced earlier in this episode. Follow the link in the video description for pricing and availability. MTH will also be producing extended vision cabooses in Denver and Rio Grande Western Union Pacific Heritage, Norfolk and Western Blue, C&O Chessie Orange and Silver, Donald J. Trump, Union Pacific Katy Heritage, and Air Force One colors, all for the train loft. The early order price is $99.95 each. MTH Electric Trains will also be producing a 3-bay cylindrical hopper decorated for the 250th anniversary of our country, exclusively for the train loft. The special car will be available in 2 different car numbers with an early order price of $94.95 each. See the link in the video description for pricing and availability. MTH Electric Trains has announced 2 new Premier O-Scale 3-bay cylindrical hopper cars for Mr. Muffin's trains. The first is decorated for red gold tomatoes. This car, expected to arrive in February 2026, has an early order price of $76.46. The second car is available in Monon colors with 2-track malting company logo. This car will be available in 2 unique car numbers and is expected to arrive in February 2026 with an early order price of $79.95. MTH Electric Trains has also announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale 3-bay cylindrical hopper in Chicago Northwestern colors and DeKalb seeds for Berwyn's trains. The cars will be produced in 2 car numbers in extremely limited quantities. Expected to arrive in February 2026, the early order price is $79.99. And remember to visit our virtual storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on certain qualifying sales generated from some of the links in this video. What's New in O-Gauge is published every Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, and be sure to subscribe and click on notifications to keep up with the most up-to-date information. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.